The Jamaican sun beat down on Melanie's face, her afro curls bouncing as she hurried along the dusty road, her younger sister Margaret trailing behind. "Hurry up, Maggie! Mr. Omanley will be roasting like a plantain on the grill." They'd volunteered to help the new Irish tourist, fresh off the plane with skin paler than coconut milk, settle into their small village for a few weeks' holiday. Mr. Omanley, a lanky fellow with a mop of ginger hair, was currently attempting to unpack his suitcase while battling a swarm of mosquitoes. "Welcome to paradise, Mr. Omanley," Melanie chirped, her voice a melodic blend of Jamaican patois and enthusiasm. Margaret, more reserved, offered a shy wave. Mr. Omanley, sweating profusely, managed a weak smile. "Paradise, eh? I'm beginning to think I should have brought more than just Factor 30 sun cream." Melanie laughed, a bright, infectious sound. "Sun cream is good, but you need more than that to survive in Jamaica. First, you need to learn to relax. We operate on island time here, Mon. No stress." She showed him how to properly hang a mosquito net around his bed, humming a reggae tune as she worked. Margaret, meanwhile, unpacked the groceries their mother had sent over: ackee saltfish, mangoes still warm from the tree, and a bottle of homemade ginger beer. "Now, you have to learn how to cook Jamaican food," Melanie announced, clapping her hands. "Tomorrow, we'll take you to the market. You'll learn to bargain like a true Jamaican." Over the next few days, Melanie and Margaret became Mr. Omanley's cultural guides. They taught him how to say "Irie" and "Wagwan," introduced him to jerk chicken from a roadside stall, and took him swimming in the turquoise waters of the cove. They even attempted to teach him to dance to reggae music, a lesson that ended in much laughter and Mr. Omanley tripping over his own feet. One evening, as they sat on the porch watching the sunset paint the sky in vibrant hues, Mr. Omanley smiled. "You know," he said, his voice tinged with genuine gratitude, "when I arrived, I felt completely lost. But you two, you've shown me a Jamaica I never could have imagined. This isn't just a place to visit, it's a home away from home." Melanie grinned, her eyes sparkling. "Welcome to the Jamaican vibes and family, Mr. Omanley. You are always welcome here." And as the rhythm of reggae drifted from a nearby house, filling the air with its infectious beat, Mr. Omanley knew he was finally starting to understand the true meaning of Jamaican paradise. He wasn't just a tourist anymore. He was becoming a part of the vibrant, loving heart of the island.